Very good morning, everyone. It is truly a joy to be here today with such an energetic and creative crowd of young minds alongside our wonderful collaborators at NITTE School of Architecture. You all have taken the first big step. You showed up, and in the world of design, that's half the job done. Showing up with curiosity, with openness, and a desire to learn. So, congratulations to each of you for choosing to explore the world of architecture, a profession that is not just about buildings, but about designing experiences, shaping communities, and reimagining the future. Let's begin with a simple question. Why architecture? Why does it matter? Think of Charles Correa, one of India's most revered architects. He didn't just build structures, he designed homes for people, cities that breathe, and spaces that celebrate Indian traditions. His work on the Gandhi Memorial in Ahmedabad is a powerful example of simplicity, symbolism, and storytelling in architecture. Or take Zaha Hadid, the first woman to win the Pritzker Prize, the Nobel of Architecture. Her designs looked like they came from another planet, curved, dynamic, unapologetically bold. She proved that architecture could be both functional and a form of sculptural art. These visionaries just didn't draw, they observed, they questioned, they dared. And that's what NATA tests. It's not just an exam of facts or formulas, it's an exam of how you see the world, how you think, and how you create. This power workshop is designed to help you step into the world with clarity, confidence, and creativity. Over the next 2 days, you will explore design sketching, learning how to express your ideas visually and clearly, architectural awareness, understanding history, context, and landmark buildings, 3D composition, playing with shapes and volumes, learning how space feels and function, aptitude and logic, strengthening your ability to solve problems creatively. You will also receive hands-on feedback from our expert faculty, which is incredible value. These are mentors who have guided thousands of students before you, and their inputs could be the turning point in how you approach your preparation. And don't forget, you will also get free access to DQ Edge, our smart online platform. It's packed with mock tests, topic-wise exercises, past year papers, video solutions, and performance tracking. Many toppers have used it as their go-to prep tool. Let me share a few success stories that began exactly where you are now. Pratima SS scored 182.5 out of 200. From basics to brilliance, Pratima's journey with DQ Labs started with curiosity and commitment, with focused practice, personalized mentoring, and use of DQ Edge. She aced the exam and now stands as one of our proud toppers. Dhulipala Saigeet scored 181. He was a keen observer with a passion for design. Saigeet made the most of his DQ Labs training and consistently practiced with feedback. His stellar NATA score reflects not just talent but discipline and a love for architecture. Many of our students have now become successful architects, designers, urban planners, and even design entrepreneurs. They have studied at institutions like NITTE, SPA Delhi, JJ College, CEPT, NID, and top international schools like Parsons, Pratt, etc. And the one thing they all had in common, they enjoyed the process. So what you can do in the next 2 days is be curious. Don't be afraid to ask basic questions. That's how creativity begins. Practice like a designer. Don't just draw, observe and reflect on what you create. Use the tools, whether it's the faculty, peers, or DQ Edge. Make the most of what you have and have fun. Yes, fun. NATA is one of the few exams that lets you use your imagination. And remember, design isn't just about talent, it's about thinking, training, and growing. You're not here to compete, you're here to evolve. So, on behalf of DQ Labs, I would like to wish each one of you the very best. We are here to support you not just through this workshop, but all the way through your journey. Let this be the beginning of something exciting. You are entering a field where you can dream, design, and define the future. So go ahead, sketch boldly, think freely, and enjoy the ride. All the best, and let's make these 2 days truly powerful. Thank you.